Around here, we know that you've just affected Trevor. I'd like you to affect the other male in the group. Come towards him, please. You have no permission to harm him, but I'd like you to let him know that you're around him, please. Come close to Kevin, please. I'm just trying to find out where you are.
I'm right there in the middle of the camera and the...
Right, come on, come forward. I don't want you to come near me. I want you to come near the gentleman, Kevin. He means you no harm, but I'd like you to affect him for me, please. Make him know that you're here. Give him a presence feeling around. I don't think that makes sense.
It sort of does. I know what you mean.
Come on, come close to him, please. Use his energy and come forward. What was that?
Did you hear that?
What was that?
I don't know.
Did you hear that though?
Yeah, I heard something.
Come on, come forward. If this is the same energy that's been affecting everybody, come forward for me, please.
Have you noticed that as well? We ain't had no raindrops. We ain't had no water drops.
No, that's true. Come on, come forward for me, please.
I feel uneasy.
Make him know that you're here. Give him a presence feeling around. I don't think that makes sense.
It sort of does. I know what you mean.
Come on, come close to him, please. Use, please. Use, please. Use, please. Use.